4 minus 1 gives us 3, and 3 times 3 gives us 9. So 9 divided by 9 is just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally this in or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to this in the subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay? So first we have to do this parenthesis, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first these parentheses. Inside these parentheses we have 4 minus 1, which gives us 3. So 9 divided by 3 times 3. Now we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division. 9 divided by 3 is just 3. And 3 times 3 gives us 9. And this is our final answer to this problem.